In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable date dependencies. If you want your project timeline to stay organized when one task shifts, Airtable's date dependency features can make that process much easier. Instead of manually updating every related task, you can set up your table so connected items follow the timeline more intelligently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get that set up clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your Airtable project table. This should be the table where your tasks, milestones, or project items are already being tracked. Before you move into the dependency setup, take a quick look at the structure of the table so you can confirm everything is ready for timeline-based planning. Next, make sure your tasks include both a start date field and an end date field. These are essential because Airtable needs a beginning and ending point for each task in order to display them properly on a timeline. If one of these fields is missing, add it before continuing. It's also a good idea to make sure the dates are filled in consistently, since incomplete date information can cause the timeline view to behave unpredictably. After that, add or select the field that connects dependent tasks. This is the field Airtable will use to understand which tasks are related and which ones rely on others being completed first. In many setups, this is a linked record field that connects one task to another. The key idea here is that Airtable needs a clear relationship between tasks before it can manage dependencies accurately. Once that's in place, open a Gantt view if you already have one, or create a new Gantt view for this table. The Gantt view is where date dependencies become much easier to visualize because you can see task timing and relationships on a timeline instead of just in rows and columns. When the Gantt view opens, configure the timeline by assigning the correct start date and end date fields. This tells Airtable exactly which date columns it should use to draw each task on the chart. Double check that the right fields are selected because even a small mismatch here can lead to confusing results. Then enable dependency settings if that option is available in your Airtable setup. This is the setting that allows linked tasks to respond to timeline changes. Depending on your version or permissions, the location of this option may vary slightly. So just look for dependency-related settings inside the Gantt view configuration. Finally, test everything by moving one task's date and checking whether the related tasks adjust correctly. This is the best way to confirm that the setup is working as intended. If the connected dates shift properly, your dependency structure is ready to use.